Hey everyone, um, I'm Gerard. I've been with MigWay 5 years this year. Um, just to give you some insight on this company, MigWay. When we talk about pay, uh, typical week look like for me, I'm getting anywhere between you know 32 to 3,500 miles a week, and that's average for me. Um, sometimes I even get more than that. I'm usually running southeast to northeast, uh, Midwest, pretty good runs. What normally hits my paycheck, I'm gonna say 22, 24. Uh, I've had, you know, times quite even higher than that. But on average, you know, 24, 25, 26 is not, you know, not far-fetched at all. You can get some great money here. Uh, the easy way to do that is to keep that left drawer closed and keep running hard. Hey guys, let's talk about home time here at MigWay. Um, Day one, you're told that MigWay will get you home every weekend. You will, in fact, be home every weekend, unless you decide that you do not want to go home every weekend. You talk to your dispatch, you talk to your team leads, and they will, coordinate if you don't want to get home. But other than that, you're going to get home every weekend. Has there been a time when you won't get home? Few and far in between. There might be something out of your control. There might be, the littlest thing, a truck accident issue, um, you know, anything can, delay that. But it won't be midway saying you're not going to get home. But for the most part, you will be home every weekend. Throughout my years, I've had many of other drivers from elsewhere walk up to me at a warehouse, walk up to me at a gas station, fuel aisle, and ask me, "Hey, what is it like realistically working with Midway?" And I tell them, "Hey, I haven't been here for 3 years, 4 years, or 5 years for no reason. I've been here because it's a great place to be at. Um, Realistically, if you do what you're supposed to do, they will do what they supposed to do. You're gonna get the miles. You're never gonna have any issues with pay, and it just feels like home to me, and it is home, which is why I've been here for so long. Um, yeah, there might be better places, um, but I haven't seen them, and I'm okay with that. I'm glad that I finally found a home here, and Midway is the real deal. You do what you're supposed to do, they'll do what they're supposed to do, and as anything, communication is the key. If you can communicate, things will be great. You're not going to be babysat here. They expect you to be where you need to be at. If you do what you're supposed to do, they'll do what they're supposed to do. Simple as that. Easiest thing I can tell somebody.